Good evening, good evening, students. In this lecture, I will teach you classification of countries on the basis of development. When we are studying the classification on the basis of development, classification of countries, then we need to take two concepts. The first concept by World Bank. World Bank classify the countries to estimate development on the basis of per capita income or average income. Means the classification of countries on the best by the World Bank is based on its per capita income or average income. Second is the classification of countries by UNDP, United Nations Development Program, on the basis of HDI, Human Development Index. So please be with me. We are going to start the concept of classification of countries on the basis of development. But firstly, you should know about the World Bank. So, introduction of World Bank. What is World Bank? When it was established, you need to know the basic introduction about World Bank. Introduction of World Bank. World Bank is topmost financial institution at global level. It was established in 1944 with International Monetary Fund after Bretton Woods Conference. When after Second World War, when most of the leading nations' economy got destroyed, then all leading industrial nations came together and presented a proposal to establish Bretton Woods institutions. It means World Bank and IMF, International Monetary Fund, were established as Bretton Woods institutions. What was the main objective of World Bank on that time? The main objective of World Bank was to stable world economy and assist weak countries to recover their economy. Because due to Second World War, most of the leading economy had been destroyed. It was established to maintain financial stability after Second World War and to assist weak countries to recover their economy. The old name of World Bank was International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. But afterwards, the name was adopted as World Bank. The concept of World Bank was given by developed countries. Britain, US, Germany, China, Italy. These were the most powerful nation on that time. So these countries gave the concept of World Bank. The headquarters of World Bank is at Washington DC. So this was about the introduction of World Bank. Now, classification of countries by World Bank on the basis of average income. As I told you already that World Bank classify the countries on the basis of average income or per capita income. What is average income or per capita income? I will tell you about this in next topic. But in this lecture, I will teach you about the classification of countries by World Bank on the basis of average income or per capita income. Per capita income is the most important aspect to estimate development. World Bank classify country on the basis of per capita income on the following basis. The countries which have per capita income less than 1026 US dollar annually Listen carefully. I am telling per capita income annually, means per year income. So the countries where per capita income is less than 1026 US dollar are considered as poor countries. Per capita income at the global level is estimated in US dollar. Why? Why in US dollar only? Because US dollar, when a World Bank was established, then US dollar was accepted as principal currency of world. Now, the countries where per capita income is between 1026 to 3395 US dollar annually are considered as lower middle economy countries. The countries where per capita income is between 3396 to 12375, means 12,375 US dollar annually, are considered as higher middle economy countries. The countries where per capita income is more than 12,375 US dollar are considered as rich countries. But students, you need to know the example also, that which are poor country, which are middle poor country, which are high middle countries, or which are rich country. So I will tell the example. The example of poor country are African countries, Congo, Nigeria. The example of lower middle economic countries are the Northern African countries, Cape Town. The example of higher middle economic countries are India, Vietnam, Indonesia, and East Asian countries as well as South Asian countries. Now the example of rich countries are USA, Canada, Japan. So this is the classification of countries by World Bank on the basis of average income. But students, do you think world per capita income is the perfect criteria to estimate development? According to my opinion, no. Why? Because with per capita income or average income, many more factors are also important, such as health status, education level, protection, development, urbanization, life expectancy. This also plays an important role while measuring development. Limitation of World Bank estimation. Students, World Bank take average income is perfect base. World Bank take average income is perfect base to measure development, which is not perfect base. I told you already that with average income, many factors such as health status, literacy rate, life expectancy, pollution free environment, government policies, industrialization, urbanization, living standard also play an important role to estimate development. I will tell you an example so that you can properly understand why these factors are important. In our India, we will take two states, Punjab and Kerala. Punjab has more per capita income comparatively Kerala. But however, Punjab is not considered as developed state. Kerala is more developed than Punjab. Why? Because in Kerala, not only the higher income, but also health status, life expectancy, literacy rate is very high. As well as in Kerala, IMR, infant mortality rate, is very low. Development of communication transport, rate of urban growth means urbanization is more in Kerala. So we cannot say that average income is only the perfect criteria to estimate development. Now, classification of countries by UNDP on the basis of HDI. The full form of HDI is Human Development Index Report. Human Development Index. Human Development Index Report. It is prepared by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Human Development, please student add index also with this. Human Development Index Report. It is prepared by UNDP, United Nations Development Program, on the basis of average income, literacy rate, health status. We cannot neglect average income. Student, I tell you that average income is most appropriate factor, most appropriate base to estimate development. But with average income, literacy rate, health status, life expectancy, pollution free environment also important. That I want to say. It doesn't mean that we neglect average income. Whenever development is estimate, then average income will be at the top. But with average income, literacy rate, health status, life expectancy, pollution free environment, cleanness, urbanization, industries, growth of industries, and these also played an important role. UNDP prepared the report where countries are classified into three categories. Progressive country means developing countries, example India, the developed countries, example America, and underdeveloped or weak countries, example African countries.